Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to get the Telegram bot link on OnlyFans. Now let's begin. Initially, do log in if you already have not to onlyfans.com. And this is the homepage of OnlyFans. Right now, I want to go to the settings, so either click on this profile button that you will find at the top left, or simply click on this more button. Both of them will open the same pop-up. Right now, a pop-up is opened, and here's the settings. Click on it right now. Now in the settings tab, let's scroll down. Here's the profile tab, the account, privacy and safety, and finally notifications. Right here under the other tab, here's something called Telegram bot. Simply click on it. And again, click on this get bot link. Now it's gonna ask you to send code to your registered email address. Simply click on send code to my email. The email has been sent. Now let's go to Gmail right now. Right now in Gmail, I found myself a message like this. Simply click on it. And here's the verification code. Let's copy it. And now let's paste it right now. Simply enter the code right here and click on confirm. And now that everything has been done, this is your Telegram bot link. Simply copy it by pressing on this button, or you can also scan it right here. Well guys, that's how you get a Telegram bot link. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.